In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Zoho Learn. Whether you're an educator looking to assess your students or a business professional aiming to train your team, knowing how to set up quizzes in Zoho Learn is an invaluable skill. Let's dive in and transform your educational content with interactive quizzes. So, starting off, let's assume you're on your Zoho Learn homepage. This is your main hub for managing all your learning materials and courses. From here, click on the Learning tab. This section is where you can view and manage your courses and learning paths. Now you'll notice on your My Learning page, there's a small plus icon on the lower left side. Go ahead and click on it, and then select the Create option from the menu that appears. With that done, you'll want to click on Course to create a new course. This is an important step because to add a quiz, you first need a course to house it. Next, you'll be prompted to type in the course name. Take a moment to enter a descriptive title for your course, and, after completing any other necessary details, hit the Create button. Once your course is set up, the next step is to add a lesson. Lessons are the building blocks of your course, and you'll want to click Add Lesson to get started. Just like with the course, you'll need to provide a name for your new lesson. Now click the Create button to proceed after entering your lesson details. With your lesson ready, the next action is to add content to it. You'll see a button that says Add Content. This is your gateway to enriching your lesson with various learning elements. Give that button a click, and from the menu that pops up, select Quiz. This is where the magic happens as you're about to craft your first quiz question. In the quiz creation screen, you have the opportunity to type in your quiz question, along with the potential choices for answers. Make sure to mark which choice is correct. Additionally, you can include a description for clarity or context. Depending on your needs, you can configure feedback options, add more questions, adjust scores, or include additional choices. Finally, when you're satisfied with the content of your quiz, it's always a good idea to review your work. To do this, click Preview, located at the top right corner. This function allows you to experience the quiz from the learner's perspective, ensuring that everything functions as intended and looks just right. And there you have it. You've successfully created a quiz in Zoho Learn. By following these steps, you can create interactive and engaging assessments that enhance your educational content. Keep experimenting with different formats and configurations to find what best suits your teaching or training style. Happy teaching!